हाँ बोलो।
Just past 12th and confused about what to do next? Want something bigger than a basic classroom degree? Then maybe it's time to look at where the media industry is actually going. Today, media is not limited to journalism anymore. From digital content and podcasting to filmmaking, sports media, advertising, PR, OTT platforms, social media, and brand communication. The industry needs skilled media professionals everywhere. That's where bachelor's in journalism and mass communication becomes more than just a degree. It becomes hands-on industry exposure. At IITM Janakpuri, students don't just study media theory. They learn video production, editing, anchoring, podcasting, camera handling, content creation, and real media workflow using professional infrastructure. The media industry is growing fast. Learn where the industry already exists.